Good afternoon and welcome to our Backyard Grill Showdown.
The Sabercast 500 is the latest entry to the backyard grilling scene. This all-new line of grills was built from the ground up with high quality and value in mind. The Sabercast 500 features a host of technological advances, allowing you to take backyard grilling to the next level. With Saber Grills, it's more than just fancy equipment. It's all about the experience, combining the incredible performance with high-quality, user-friendly features. Saber Grills really are a better barbecue. Right out of the box, the Sabercast 500 has an advantage over the Weber Genesis S330. With more pre-assembled parts and 16 fewer assembly steps, you'll save time and get right to cooking much faster. The Sabercast 500 grill is as durable as it is easy to assemble, and it's designed to take whatever you or Mother Nature throw at it, standing up to the rigors of elements as well as your toughest grilling challenge. Constructed primarily of 304 commercial-grade stainless steel, the Sabercast 500 will better handle the stresses of an outdoor environment and resist rust better than comparable grills at this price point. A magnet test will show the difference between the Sabercast 500 and the Weber, which is made of 430R stainless. A magnet held up to the commercial-grade stainless will not be attracted to the metal and will fall off, as seen here with the Sabercast 500. When the magnet test is done on the Weber, the magnet sticks to the stainless, showing that it is not of the same grade stainless. Already, it's clear why the Sabercast 500 grill is considered a great value among premium grills. Of course, the real test for any backyard grill master is the actual cooking experience. In our preheat test, we cranked up both grills to their maximum searing heat and let them go. The Saber Grill's patented infrared technology allows it to heat to a searing 700 degrees Fahrenheit in around 10 minutes. As for the Weber, not close to 700 in the same amount of time. The quick preheat time of the Sabercast 500 grill has you ready to cook a great meal without a long wait time. But the true difference is Saber Grill's patented cooking system, which allows for different meats to cook at different temperatures at the same time on the same grilling surface. True zonal cooking, a first-of-its-kind technology, eliminates the need for warming rack time that can cause meats to dry out or overcook. No one likes burnt meat, and with Saber's patented infrared cooking system design, fats are channeled away and juices are vaporized, adding flavor to your meat and making flare-ups a thing of the past. The Saber Grill not only looks beautiful and is well built, but it grills like nothing else on the market due to its patented infrared cooking system. And perhaps the most amazing part? The Sabercast 500 grill uses up to 37% less fuel during the cooking and preheating process, requiring only 24,000 BTUs to get to our desired temperature. The Saber Grill maximizes its fuel output compared to the 38,000 BTUs that the Weber grill requires. Extra BTUs does not mean higher heat, it means wasted, inefficient fuel management. Saber Grills simply are one of the most efficient grills you will encounter, helping eliminate those repeated trips to fill propane tanks, creating less waste and less pollution. Built to last at a great price, Saber Grills really are a better barbecue. With the Sabercast 500, you don't have to be a chef to cook like one. Taste the difference today. For more information on the new Sabercast 500 and the full line of Saber Grills, visit sabergrills.com or talk to your sales representative. Saber Grills, a better barbecue.